Ever found yourself facing these moments? You met a problem, but nothing seems wrong on the surface. Sigen AI mode is supported for use in your region, but your system can't use it with dynamic tariffs. Or perhaps you've accidentally changed a critical setting buried deep in your app with no clear way to restore it. A single parameter error can idle your costly battery system. You waste free solar power by day and pay premium rates by night. SigenCare is an AI-powered service system delivering comprehensive protection for Sigenergy devices across their entire life cycle. Welcome to revolutionary service system, SigenCare. A full system health check that uncovers hidden issues so you're always prepared. And the best part, it's all done with a simple tap in the app.